Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I have a box for you, and it is my spring edition of Erin Condren, and here it is. And I get a seasonal box every quarter, and this one is for spring, and I'm really excited by it, and I love this box because this is one of my favorite designs actually, which is a floral. So if you want to see what I receive, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Like I said, today I am going to unbox my Erin Condren box, and you know how much I love Erin Condren, right? So yeah, and hopefully I'll get some goodies. I have no idea what is in this box, but it's quite light, so I'm kind of like, is there a planner in there? And I hope so, because I always like a journal or something like that, right? But I don't know, it's pretty light, so we'll see. Anyway, so Affirmations. I actually found one. I was looking through it, and the last video, which was my Mask Monday Ladies video, I actually pre-chose that one because I saw it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I like this one. And then I did the same thing. I was just, sometimes I just scroll through to see what's there, just to kind of, remind me generally about life and how I should behave and how I should feel, So I found this one and I like it because I love a good challenge, and I'm one of those people that, love change and that enjoy challenges. And the thing is, let me get into this first. It says, I made it this far and I'm curious to see how far I can go. I've made it this far and I'm curious to see how far I can go. And this is just like, that is speaking from my heart because, I have made it this far and I'm always wondering, okay, one more step, how far can I go? Let's see how far I can get to by the end of the year. And then I kind of plan around it, right? Because I'm not a person what scares me the most is no change, status quo, nothing happening, boring, same thing day in and day out. And of course, how would you say? To extent, okay, I'm losing my word today. To some extent, you have to have a routine. That's true. You get up, you go to work, you come home. But I always like to integrate things in my life that challenges me and keeps me on my toes and keeps me alive. Like I love listening to audio books that's, like leadership or about self-improvement and things like that, because it always makes me think, especially when other people are talking about it and I see how I can align or I don't align, or if I agree or if I don't agree based on what I've experienced. So yeah, and I'm always wondering, okay, what's next? What can I do next? What is my next big venture? And so right now, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm having my husband audio record his life from childhood until, when we met, because I'm going to turn it into kind of like a biography, memoir type of thing. And, because I want to write a book. I've been meaning to write a book, but things just get in the way. So that's my next big challenge. And that's like my 5-year goal. And yeah, and if you want to know how far you can go, you got to push yourself. You gotta challenge yourself. You can't be afraid of change. You have to embrace it and just go with it. Go with it. Blah, 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 blah. Because guess what? If you're not doing anything, a year from now, you're still gonna be in the same place. Whereas if you say, let's say you take a course, right? Start now, it's a year long. In a year, you're gonna be finished. I know it's really hard to get started, but do it. It's worth it. I mean, the sense of accomplishment itself is just great. So yeah, that's that. Anyway, enough of that. My God, I could just talk for days. I could. Okay, let's see. Oh, give me my little tool. Got it. Okay, and now I'm going to open the box. Okay. Oh, that's easy. That's only one tape. Okay, let's see what we have. It says, may the beauty of your day take your breath away. I like that. May the beauty of your day take your breath away. Wow, that's nice. And guess what? I flipped these boxes inside out because that's what it's made to be. And so this will be the outside of the box, and this will become the inside of the box. And I have so many of those boxes everywhere. But they're really nice decorative because they're very nice. You see how this is in rose gold? So it actually makes a nice like a piece, you know? And so enough of that. So let's see what's in here. It does come with a card that usually tells you what is in there. Let me just go ahead and put on my glasses so we can see. Okay, here we go. All right. And it says, may the beauty of your day take your breath away. It's the same theme here, okay? And on the inside, though, it actually tells you what is in the box. And so I'm not going to look at that part, but I'm going to go ahead and read this other side. It says, step back and embrace the beauty all around you. The spring surprise box was curated to help you appreciate and acknowledge the beautiful moments of every day. From functional notepads to jump-starting spring cleaning to lunch totes designed to picnic outside. Okay, so there's a couple of things in there, I guess, that they've already mentioned. And it does come with this very cute sticker here. They do it really well. They package it. That's one thing. Their packaging is so consistent. Have you noticed some of the companies, especially the beauty boxes, their packaging just went out the door? I mean, there is no packaging. There's no, let me open a nice box. And I like that because that's part of the experience for me, you know? Okay. And, okay. Here we go. It looks like that, okay? And let's see, where can I put this? I have plants and everything here. I don't want to knock it over. Okay, let's start with the first thing that I see, which I like. This is wood. It's a ballpoint pen and a valet tray. Oh, nice tray. Actually, what's a valet tray anyway? I really don't know what that is. So look at this pen. And I love pens, guys. I mean, I used to get, you know, when I used to ask when people would say, well, what do you want for a gift? Oh, a pen, a nice pen. And so I have some really nice pens and I enjoy them. So let's see what it says here about this pen. And this is a ballpoint pen and a valet tray. This is a sneak peek for what's upcoming. And it is $20 is the retail price. And the box is $40 and it's supposed to have at least $80 worth of products in here. So yeah, and that's that. So it is nice. I mean, it's really nice. It's wood, and it's got like a cork. This is a cork valet, and it has like a little snap. You can open it up, and I don't really know what a valet is. So okay, but I don't know. Maybe you put pens and stuff in here. I'm thinking that's what I'm going to use it for. Okay, the next here is a sticky notepad set. It's 25 sheets per pad, 50 sheets total. And let's see, it looks like it's just like a sticky pad, but they're usually a really cute design and stuff. Oh, here it is. Look at that. It's like it's got a half circle and a full circle underneath it. So, oh, that's cute. I can always use that because believe me, I'm always making notes. I mean, every day I must go through a whole stack of them at work. So, but this one, I'm not going to use it for work. Okay, and let's see what it says about it. And it says sticky notepad set. It's an exclusive to the boxes and you cannot buy them. There's $6.50 for this pack. Okay. And next is another small thing here, and it's a pastel productivity page markers. Oh, I love these. I use them in my planners. I don't quite have one like this that says today, to do, and a little asterisk. That's very nice, and it's like a little middle, right? And so what does it say here? Pastel productivity page markers, and it's $6.50 for the set of 3. And this too is a sneak peek, so they will be selling these at one point. Okay, so that's that. And next is a notepad set, and it has 25 sheets per pad, 50 sheets total. And I can put this in my planner actually. Yeah, there it is right there. And this is a notepad set, and it is exclusive to the spring box. And it is $12. And you see how it has this in the back. And I actually have a planner I can slide this in the back of, I think. Yeah, and that way I have it right then and there. I like it. Okay, but you know what? There's no journal. I don't see one anyway. So, okay, the next thing, this looks like a drinking straw with a little holder, right? See? Okay, with a little brush. Okay, a little brush. And it looks like this is the case for it. It is. It's a case for it. I love this floral pattern. That's my favorite pattern. So what does it say here? This is a portable, reusable straw kit, and it is exclusive to the box, and it does come with a little holder. That's what this is. It's a drawstring holder, and it's $10.50. So, but you know what? I'm going to be honest with you. I have so many of these things, but you know what I do like? It has a little Erin Condren symbol there. I don't know if you can see that right there. That is so cute. That is cute. Okay. All right. And the last thing, oh no, just wait. Here's just a couple more things. And this is a sticker set. They usually put a sticker set in here, and this is a Springy Colors. And this is a Flora sticker pack duo, and it is exclusive to this box, and this too is $6.50. And I bet there's like pictures of, there's usually stickers with pictures of flowers actually, is what they, when you buy them. But this one you can't buy, so I don't know what, and this is great for planners, and I have a planner. My planner is a Flora pattern. Oh, yeah, see? Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. This is with a rose gold. Yeah, this is really nice. I like it. And this is the functional productivity piece. And so the other one is just a pretty one. Okay. And, oh, I took it out of the bag, which means it's going to be hard to put back in. No, look at that. Huh. Success. Huh. Okay, so there it is. And there's one more thing in the box, and kind of like, I don't know. It's a lunch bag. It's a lunch tote, you see? And I could actually use a lunch tote. Yeah, but I don't know. My stuff would not fit in here, I don't think. My lunch. But, oh, this is like really big. Oh, I love this design. Look at the inside of it. But what it does is it opens up completely with this, you see? And then it turns into like a placemat. Interesting. And so that way, if you have your lunch, which, oh, this is actually big. Look at the size of this thing. This is actually big. And it's a cooler type. Wow, okay. And then you open it, you unbutton it. I don't want to do that because I'm afraid that I'm not going to be able to put it together. But this side is already kind of open. And it's like opens up to like a little mat, like a picnic mat. Very cute. Okay, all right. I'm not mad at it. So this one here is actually, where'd it go? Oh, Flora Lunch Tote. It's exclusive for this box. You cannot buy it. And it is $18.50. So here it is, Lunch Tote. But yeah, you know, what do I think? I don't know. This is kind of hard because I am a little bit disappointed because I always like to have, I don't know, a journal or a notepad or notebook or something like that. But I don't know, this is a little different. You know, I'm not hating it, put it that way. But I do have a lot of journals and a lot of notebooks. It's probably good that I didn't get another one, to be honest. So, but I do like the products. They're very good products. Majority of it is made in the USA. And she's out of Texas. And I mean, I really do enjoy her stuff. Even this right here is going to be very useful. This and this, most useful for me. And definitely the pen I love. So, yeah. I don't know. What do you think, guys? I mean, would you have paid $40 for this? I mean, I think it's well worth it. Some people may not, depending on what you like and, you know, what you go for. But, I mean, yeah, I like it. It's different. It was very different. I mean, Erin Condren has straws. Who knew? So, yeah. I think I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. So let me know what you think below. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, there is a button below that looks just like that one above. And then all you need to do is hit the bell, select all, and you'll know when I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, and as I always say, it doesn't matter. But what does matter, though, is in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Whoop! Bye-bye! what to think about this box, but like I said, I don't hate it. I mean, I do like the idea of this lunch bag. It's kind of pretty cool. And the straw, maybe I'll stick it in my lunch bag with the straw. But like I said, these things are pretty good. I don't know, but I get so used to, you know, getting journals and stuff. Do I really need another journal? No. But am I spoiled? Yes. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. But you know what? It's different. That's what it is. It's different. And I just talked about change, right? So what the heck? So yeah. Anyway, what did I do? I wanted to tell you guys in the last video, the Monday video, you know, what I did over the weekend. I went to Costco twice because one big thing I forgot to say is it's Patient Safety Week. And it's National Patient Safety Awareness Week, which is, you know, I oversee that department. That's that's in my portfolio of what I manage. And so we have this big thing going on starting Monday. Well, actually started Sunday because that's when the week starts officially. And then, you know, I got public affairs involved, and we're doing fun things. And I'm walking around the hospital giving away these little pins and candy. And so, yeah, so it's good. It's good. But yeah, what else did I do over the weekend? I bought 3 new shirts. And I don't know if you ever heard of a thing called ThreadUp. And it is an app. Get it? It's ThreadUp. And what it is people donate clothes, or they put it on consignment, and then you buy from there. So that way it doesn't end up in a landfill. And they do have them. What I usually do is I filter it and to say new with tags, because people, I know I do, donate clothes never worn and still has tags on it. Other people do the same thing, I found out. So what I did was I went on there. So it's like a thrift store. And I bought, like 4 pairs of pants. Because to be honest, I got to lose some weight. I feel so chubby right now. I need to lose about 20 pounds. And that's one of my focuses starting yesterday, which would have been Monday, if I upload this on a Tuesday. So yeah. And I don't want to buy brand new clothes. So I'm going to wait. And when I lose weight, I can fit into my spring clothes that I had from like 2 years ago that I bought brand new, still with tags on it. So yeah, story of my life. So anyway, guys, thank you for listening to my my how do you call that? My jabbering, or whatever. Yeah. Oh, and another thing. Went to Costco twice. Once was to buy like 2 bags of candy that I'm giving away. Here I'm on the diet. I'm giving away candy. Okay. And the other time we had to go use our annual rewards thing. And my husband bought me AirPod Pro, so I can listen to my books, because mine's getting really old and it's like dying in the middle of my book, and I was complaining about it. So he bought me a new AirPod Pro, so I'm excited. So anyway, guys, all right, enough of that. I'm chatty today because I haven't talked to you. So anyway, I love you all, and I want you guys to behave, be good, be safe out there. Masking is finished. Social distancing is finished pretty much all over the United States. So please, please, please still be careful. I don't want to see another summer surge, okay? So, alrighty. Mwah. Bye.